What's going on, y'all? It's just with the boost. Your boy back. As you can see, got the Camaro up on jack stands. Got something new today. Got a OEM Ls3 exhaust. I'm pretty sure this is OME because it says GM Performance Parts. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So picked this up for $150. So we can start running some basically dumps and get this fat raisin edge going right here. As you can see, right now I'm unloosening the clamp bolts. You see, pretty rusty, but I'm hitting them slowly, for surely, not rushing, not trying to break none, whatever. But yeah, this is what we got going today. So I'm gonna get y'all set up and get it going. I'm at the part where I just gotta take all the rubber pieces off. It is kind of hard to record using one hand and being by yourself and doing this. Okay, as you can see, I guess them was the only two that was holding, maybe. That thing came down pretty fast. Pretty fast. Pretty freaking fast. I can't believe I just got that on camera, but that came down super fast. Woo, boy. Scared? Heart is pounding. Golly.
A few moments later.
Okay, got it off. Y'all can pretty much see the difference. This is the L99. This is a Ls3. As you can see, this big old freaking resonator is blocking like almost everything. Running this for now. I got a little H pipe in it. I think it's supposed to be like high flow resonators or something like that. And as you can see, I cut the mufflers off. Yeah. Forgot where I put them, but this is what it looks like. As y'all can see, got the whole exhaust bolted up. Well, not bolted up. Clamps on and in the rubber pieces. These are the only ones I'm kind of having trouble with. As you can see, they're pretty far in this. It's pretty stiff. But I'm gonna just jack it up, maybe. And then put these in there. And we'll get a good start with the new exhaust on there for y'all. But it looks good. It looks pretty good though. Look dang good. So after a lot of fighting and doing this by myself, it's on. That's all. So I'm tired. But I'm gonna give you a quick startup of how it sounds with this. sound like. I don't really know. It kind of don't sound like much of a difference to me now. I kind of like it with the with the muffler just cut off and the resonator still on there. But I might just still be throwing my bullet tone. It's still kind of quiet, but I think what's really holding it up is not having them long tube headers. So long tube headers gonna definitely have to come next on this car. But for right now, that's what we're gonna run with, and get back with y'all on the next video. Juice with the Boost out.